All right, so for today's video, I wanted to talk about your 2027 travel plans and how the deposits are due now. May 2026, right now. Your first deposit on Future Freedom is due today. All right, so let's talk about it. The life you want in 2027 is quietly being funded by what you do in 2026. So, are you overdrafting, spending more than you have? Or are you making the deposits necessary so that future you can actually experience the freedom that you've been talking about, dreaming about, and working towards? So, are you bankrupt? Are your 2027 plans already bankrupt? Or are you fueling it with luxury, whatever that means to you? All of that is based on you. Most of us are walking around like we have all the time in the world, which technically we do because the only true time is now. So if what we done before in the past is a direct correlation to where we are today, that means what we do today is going to directly impact what we experience and have access to in the future. So I don't want to diminish future goals, but understanding and embodying the power of now, you're going to be able to magnify the success of your future goals on your standards and multiply them beyond what you can ever imagine. Because whether you believe it or not, there are certain things that want you to succeed. All right. But that future freedom has upfront costs. Nobody likes to talk about this. I know when you get there, you have the itinerary plan. You know exactly what you're going to do when you get there. You know the restaurants you want to go to. You know the experiences you want to have. But you know that you want to travel. You want flexibility. You know that you want peace. You know that you want financial peace. You know that you want more confidence. You know that you want health. And you know that you want a level of entrepreneurship or small business ownership that fuels all of it on the financial end. These things are usually prepaid over the years or at least some amount of time before you actually arrive. And that the payment is through your repeated behavior. Cause of that actually happening is from the payment of your repeated behaviors. Okay? So everyone's online romanticizing travel. Everyone's online, not everyone, but a lot of people are online romanticize travel. It seems amazing. You're going to go somewhere and you're going to quench your thirst in a place that you've never been before, that you've only read about in books or seen on TV. And I think is one of life's greatest luxuries, especially if you have the ability to do so. I mean, like, you're not mentally afraid and you're not holding yourself back from like fear. You have the means to do so, financial and time, and you have an interest in immersing yourself in someone else's culture. I think that is a beautiful, like, I think everyone, if you've ever experienced that, you should be grateful because most people haven't even been on an airplane before. So let's stop there and let's just express gratitude for the moment. Let's express gratitude that this dream is an actual possibility. All right. We want to show gratitude to the possibility by depositing daily habits that's going to make it come true and go from a dream to a goal to your reality. And in order to do that, in order for you to cure your wanderlust, at least to some extent, but in order for you to cure your wanderlust, what are you doing on a day-to-day basis? Okay, so most importantly, I know nobody likes to talk about this, but let's be clear. You need some money, honey. Okay, if you want to travel, now if you're my age or older, we're not doing hostels anymore. Okay, if you're younger, like 20s, like 18, 19 to 25, I was doing hostels too, okay? All through Asia. I didn't stay at a hostel in Europe because you could, I don't know, I was able to find like really good deals. But yeah, like that's y'all. But for those of us who have a certain standard, we can't stay in a hostel no more, baby. So it's going to cost you. Now, you can go as low or as high as you like. The beautiful thing about travel is there's something for everyone. Literally, everyone at every budget. You can be a backpacker, you can be top exclusive, or you can stay at hotels that don't even have Instagram pages. It's that exclusive, and it comes with a butler and things and amenities that you have never even heard of before. Okay, if you fall somewhere in the middle, all of it's good. Okay, because I want you to go. I want you to go. But I also want you to know you can't disconnect your behaviors today from future outcomes. So if you are fueling yourself up on procrastinating, overthinking, avoiding discomfort, staying inconsistent, neglecting your health, neglecting your systems, then you, my friend, are going to not achieve the goal. Period. All right. Compounding works both ways. You're either fueling it or you're bankrupting it. Consistency compounds just as much as avoidance does. Which means, in simple terms, you're either building momentum through action or you're taking away from your momentum from inaction. And I don't know about y'all, but just imagine. I don't know. We're gonna go. Let's talk a little bit about different types of locations. So, if fresh mountain Swiss Alps like excites you. First off, Switzerland is one of the most beautiful countries that I've ever been to. And after dinner, we walked down one of the mountains by lit candlelight. Are you serious? Like, how fancy? And I was only like 20 years. This was in college. This was part of my study abroad trip. 20 years old, and it just blew my mind. Literally, by the time we reached the bottom, it was legit nighttime. It was legit dark outside. Absolutely beautiful. The air was just crispier there. It was. The people were so kind. Actually, the chocolate was good, and we know where to get that chocolate from too. But anyways, it was just such a beautiful experience. Or if you want the hustle and bustle of a larger city, like Hong Kong is apparently New York's, is Asia's New York. Love Hong Kong. Even put on a post in 2014 that it may be my future home. That still may hold true. Bustling, things to do, diverse, here, there, everywhere. You can get city life, you can get quiet meditation, tai chi, parks available everywhere. So are trendy restaurants. Whatever excites you, there's a place for it. Or you can go to the Virgin Islands for peace and serenity. Beautiful beaches, good food, and just rest and relaxation. Okay? Whichever one you want, or if you want all three, and of course there's so many more countries, but if you want any of those, because I can speak on those places I've actually been to multiple times, but if you want any of those to be your reality in 2027, girl, you got some work to do now. You have some work to do now. I need you to stop building stagnation through your inaction. It's time to get busy. And here's the identity investment that is required of you going forward. You're going to work out. You need to be healthy. If you want to travel, highly suggest you have some level of physical health. I don't care. I suggest you have some level of physical health. Okay, because outside of your home country, specifically United States, your insurance it doesn't work the same way in other countries. That's all I'm gonna say. All right. If you need to make money, demand a raise at your job, sell something on the side, sell more of what you've already been selling, meet your sales goals, go after your sales goals, do what you can do on your input on your side that will help you reach your goals. Email the people back, y'all. Email the people back. I know if you are a fellow millennial, we are like not texting back. We have our phone on do not disturb 23 of 24 hours out the day. We don't want to hear it. Email the people back. Fix the back end of whatever structure you need to. Just fix it. Sit down, get it fixed. Stop delaying the action necessary for you to get to that level. I need you to be making deposits for 2027 travel and make these choices disciplined and repeat the behaviors over and over. If you need to, make a quick vision board page, okay? Put it wherever of the places you want to go. Now, is this vision board is a great visual, but it's not going to come true if you don't act on it. This identity investment of someone that does, these are investments that your future self is going to benefit from, which means current you will also benefit from. So why not make it fun for all of us? Why not make it fun for the current you and future you? Because in essence, your future is literally financed by your current habits. And that's something you cannot escape. That's something you cannot casino your way out of. Maybe you can, but let's just go on the odds of I can bet on myself. Okay. All right. If you're new here and if you're ready to build more momentum in your life, please do check out the links in the description. My name is Aspire J, and on my channel, we talk about mindset mastery so that we can transform our life so that we actually can get more fulfillment out of this here life. Okay. So if that interests you, please like this video, please share, and most importantly, subscribe. I would truly appreciate it. Just a click of the button doesn't take much, and it's helping me to grow this channel so that we can continue building more community of people who are interested and building a rich life on purpose. I'm talking about mentally, physically, spiritually, and financially. All right. So thank you so much for watching today's video. My name is Aspira J, and I hope your day is just as beautiful as you are. All right. Peace.